Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 18 February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 6, number 17, number 28, number 33, number 42, booster number 15. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction first number 8, number 14, number 29, number 31, number 43, booster number 1. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe.